Is it possible to convert your Facebook account into a Facebook page? In short, it's not directly possible, because if you want to convert your current Facebook account here into everything into a Facebook page, so carry on your followers, your posts and everything, that's not possible because of how Facebook account and Facebook page are inherently structured. But we can sort of start to do it. First off, you want to take note of your name, your profile picture, your bio and everything else here. And then we can create a Facebook page based on that, therefore converting it, right? Now let's just create a new profile or page. Let's just click on public page. Let's click on next. Let's click on get started. And then on here, remember our name. So our name earlier was this, and then our category. Now, of course, because of this is one of the things that makes it not possible for us to convert a account into a page, because of categories and other requirements that's different from account and page. For category, I'm just going to put in something random. I'm just going to say it's a restaurant. And in the bio, there was nothing on me, so I'm just going to click on create a page. Now, once it was created, now you can add other things like website, your phone number, your email, your location, address, zip code, even if you'd like hours as well. Click on next. I'm just going to leave it blank because my previous account was blank, and then blank. I'm just going to click on skip. Next, done. You can enable that if you like. I'm just going to leave it blank. I'm going to click on done. And then let's just wait for it to load here. And then that's it. You can see our Facebook account was technically converted into a Facebook page, but of course it's not directly converted from account to page. It has 0 likes and it has 0 followers. None of my followers and none of my likes carried over from my account into the page. And unfortunately, this is just how things are.